What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Second video on the brand new S1000. We finally hit 200 miles, so we got a little bit of time to go before we finally get this bike unlocked, but we're headed all the way down to Naples, Florida, where the big money lives, to a Cars and Coffee. I'm also meeting up with a few riders that I've met online since I've gotten this bike, which is kind of crazy, dude. The community for sport bikes is just insane in comparison to the Harley. But I would say that is kind of like geographically controlled, if you will. I'm not sure the best words to say there, but out in San Diego, bro, the Harley scene was pretty big, especially the Dyna Bros and those sorts of things. But out here in Florida, man, I got this bike and immediately just started meeting people, which is sick. But yeah, we're gonna hop on the highway. Not gonna do anything kind of crazy. As we can see, the weather is kind of shitty, but yeah, tag along. Let's go see what's down there. Definitely want a coffee. I drank a little bit last night at a Christmas party, so but what a good way to get over that than to hop on the bike on a crisp morning like it is. And yeah, all right, we're going around. Stock everything, and she's popping during them downshifts, dude. It sounds so good. I'm so excited to get this bike fully broken in and finally get some aftermarket parts put on this thing. Headers first thing, then tune. Oops. No one saw that. You know what's funny? Ever since I got this bike, there have been people commenting on like my YouTube videos and a few here and there on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. And they're like, oh, dude, you only got the bike for clout. You only got it, you know, blah, 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 blah. But it's actually really funny because I got the bike for a much more simpler reason than that. I actually got this bike because I have a small dick. Nice, dude. Nice. Hey, man, we're in South Florida. We got to expect those fucking things, dude. The snowbirds are down heavy right now. It's like you can't even get mad anymore, bro. You just have to accept it. Kind of a boring ride, so I stopped filming for a while. I got to preserve my batteries as much as I can. I was not prepared for it today. Damn, look at these fucking bikes, bro. Holy shit. The lineup is sick, though. The lineup is sick. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. God, the fucking Ducati sounds disgusting. And I'm on stock exhaust, boys. I'm on stock exhaust. I sound so fucking ridiculous. Holy shit. Yeah, bro, it's crazy. I came here knowing nobody, and now I'm riding out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, bro. That's sick, bro. And it's crazy because they've all followed me. Every one of them's like, yo, bro, I've seen your photos. Full carbon R7, by the way. That shit is clean. That shit is clean. You don't see many people doing full carbon builds on R7s, dude, so that's unique as fuck. Fuck, it got hot, dude. This morning, 61. shit, dude. Holy shit. That's fucking awesome. There ain't no keeping up with these bikes right now, dude. We can't keep up with these bikes. That's all we got. Hell yeah. Dude, they're so fast. God damn, dude, they're fucking quick, boys. I mean, I know I'm restricted, but damn. God damn. Yeah, that ain't me, boys. Holy shit, bro. Hell yeah, dude, that shit is nice. Hell yeah, boys. Wasn't an all-day event, but that was a good time, bro. Oh my god, I need exhaust on this thing now. That was freaking insane, bro. It's freaking insane. If you've never been around these leader bikes, fully decked out, full exhaust tune, bro, they are something else, bro. Like, they just don't, nothing competes with them, dude. Nothing. Even this bike in the stock configuration with no tune, and obviously the RPMs being restricted, you can't even keep up when they're cruising, bro, just because the acceleration is just there. But man, oh man, dude, that was a good time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Definitely a lot more like that coming, with a lot more and more in-depth content as well. Today I was just kind of meeting new people, getting to know them, they know me, so I can start riding out with these guys. But man, that was fun. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.